I'm so excited to share my living room with you, which is now finished. And of course, the main feature in this room is this beautiful, magnificent sofa, which I had made by a company called Italian Solutions, which are a family-run business in Italy. And plus, it's owned by a wonderful Irish lady called Kate. Kate flew all the way from Italy and met me here when this place was a building site, so that we could design the sofa together to fit my space. I really wanted this amber mustard colour, and I was dreaming of having a velvet sofa that would be so comfy to lie on and to cozy up in, and the pillows she did as well, which are so beautiful. I never would have picked this design, she did, and it absolutely works. And I love the cream trim as well on all the cushions, but it is incredible. I mean, they definitely had a challenge because I've got a very narrow stairways. So when they designed it that they could put it all together to fit my space. When it actually arrived here, I actually can't believe I've got a sofa this big and they managed to get it up the stairs, which is quite incredible. They have been amazing to work with. The quality is phenomenal, and I couldn't highly recommend them more, especially if you want your dream sofa to fit your space perfectly.